Hey guys, my name is Ramoon and today I'm going to be going over all the trades I took on my Forex account. I'm going to be diving into why I took these trades, how much money I made, and how long it all took me. Before I start, I want to give a brief introduction about myself. So right now, I'm 21 and I work a part-time job moving furniture. I also just finished university and I graduated with an economics degree. However, you do not need any degree to trade. In fact, my degree is completely useless when it comes to trading. Now, I've personally been trading for around a year and a half, and I've been profitable for around 6 to 7 months. So it's not exactly a get-rich-quick scheme. However, when you do get some experience, you can make a sizable amount of money from it. And you might be thinking, Ramoon, what are you doing? Doing up YouTube? Right, relax, listen. I made this channel to show everyone how I started trading and how easy it is to make some extra income. I also made this channel because I'm still learning and I want to document my journey, and I'll show all the ups and the downs. So enough about myself, let's jump straight into the charts and I'll show you how I made an extra grand trading last week. So right now I'm TradingView. This is a website I use to map out and chart all my graphs. So the trade I took was on GDP USD and I was looking on the 1 hour time period. And I'll quickly post a quick screenshot of me posting in a small Telegram group. As you can see here, I called it out in our Telegram group and I said, I'm looking to get short with small stop loss, so SL means stop loss, on GDP USD on open. So I actually posted this on Sunday night around 10 o'clock and the market opens at 11 o'clock in the UK. So what I done at 11 o'clock, I got in short on GDP USD. So you might be wondering why I took these trades. So every time price has come up to these levels over here, it pin bars away using a candlestick wick. So this is the wick of the candlestick. So it pin bars, and then it's pin barred again. So I've now drawn this area, this little grey area, and I've labeled that as a resistance zone. So every time price gets to there, it usually bounces down. So if price next time comes to there, for example here, and we see a little bit of rejection, which is this little purple candles, then I'm going to enter a trade. But because if you zoom out, the trend is an overall uptrend, I'm only looking for a small take profit. So I'm not trying to be a hero and catch like a million pips with a 7 to 1. No, I'm just doing a 1 to 1.25, a small risk to reward, see if it pays off. So I took this trade. We'll just play it out. So I took this on the Sunday night. I went to bed. You can see at the bottom over here it says 10 o'clock Sunday. Go forward. And by the time I woke up, it was 7 a.m. the trade is won. So overnight, I put the trade in, went to bed, made 250 quid. So with the next trade, it's the same story. It was Australian dollar, US dollar sell at resistance zone. I'll quickly pop onto TradingView and show you the full thing. So on TradingView, as you can see, we have a previous high where price pin bars down. So price is pin barred away from this zone and it's actually made a massive move all the way to the downside. So I've drawn up a little zone here, little resistance zone, same as last time. And I've just said, next time price gets here, I'll have a look to take a sell. And that's exactly what I've done. Next time price comes, I took a sell. And as you can see, it went sideways for around a day. So I put this in on Thursday at 4 o'clock. It didn't move until Friday morning. So Friday morning, it made a move. It went all the way down. And at 9 o'clock, it came back up to near the entry, but it still made a good move down. So what I'd done then is I added again, same thing as last time. I took the trade and then I called it out again in my Telegram. I said, added another position after a pullback, moved original position stop loss to break even. So now the first position, the stop loss is a break even. So that was technically a risk-free trade. It was already in profit and now it's a risk-free trade. And the second position wasn't a risk-free trade, but the stop loss was less than the first one, but the size of the position was the same. So the risk was a lot less. And they both ended up and smashed TP. I'm going to throw that on the screen. and that's how I made, I think that trade was £400, give or take. For my last 4 trades, I took them all on USD CAD, and I took 4 sells. So you can see my entry was here, 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 and here. So this is a completely different strategy. This is a strategy where I'm trading momentum. So I'm looking at a chart and I'm seeing, right, there's a big downtrend. I'm trying to get in at optimal levels. So this one would be 1. And I'm trying to just basically catch a sell-off. So I took profits here for these 2. And for this one, I saw there was a bit of support forming. So this is called the support level. It's where price bounces at the bottom. So resistance where price bounces at the top, support's where price bounces at the bottom. So price bounced at the bottom here, I drew it up and it bounced again here. So when it got here, I just took my profits and left. I'm still learning this strategy, so you'll be joining me on the journey through these YouTube videos to see if I can master the momentum strategy as well as support and resistance. So I'm going to pop up all the trades on the screen that I've taken over the course of this video now. And as you can see, altogether, it adds up to around 850 quid, which is like 1,114 US dollars. This all took me around 2 hours overall on the charts, and I still managed to work my part-time job for 26 hours last week. Once you get used to the charts and seeing them and trading them, it does not take a lot of time at all. And if you're interested in seeing and learning how I trade, hit that subscribe button below and join my free Telegram channel, where I'll be posting all my trades before I enter them so you can follow along. Thank you.
How do you feel they're following trends? Told my bro that is what it is.